Landscape rocks, 6 best landscaping rocks to help beautify your yard. Landscape rocks can be an integral part of beautifying your yard. Adding landscaping rocks is a simple way to highlight the best parts of your yard. If you are doing a web search for the best landscape rocks near me, then you likely have many questions about which to choose and why. Indeed, there are few design elements that can rival the versatility and aesthetic appeal of landscape rocks. Whether you hope to create a tranquil garden oasis, a dynamic rock garden, or an eye-catching backyard retreat, incorporating various types of rocks can add texture, depth, and interest to your outdoor spaces. From the humble peat gravel to the majestic flagstone, there are countless types of landscape rocks available. With the right knowledge, each can transform your backyard into a stunning work of art. Aside from their aesthetic benefits, landscape rocks also offer a range of practical advantages that make them an ideal choice for both commercial and residential landscaping. For one, they are highly durable and require little to no maintenance, making them an excellent long-term investment for any outdoor space. Additionally, rocks can be used to achieve the following goals: improve drainage, retain soil moisture, reduce erosion, create walkways, driveways, and paths. These uses make garden rocks a functional addition to any landscape design. This content explores these concepts. 6 of the most popular types of landscape rocks. The best applications for each of the 6 garden rocks. The pros and cons of various landscaping rocks. The information that Talos Lawn Care Services shares will help you make an informed decision about which rocks are right for your outdoor space. 6 popular landscaping rocks. 1. Peat gravel. Peat gravel is a popular choice for landscaping due to its small size and smooth texture. It typically ranges in size from about 1/8 inch to 3/8 inch. The most popular for multiple purposes, this decorative gravel comes in a variety of colors, including beige, brown, white, and gray. Brown, gray, or white pea gravel is best for pathways and playgrounds for your children. Many consider them the best flower bed rocks, due to their small size permitting better drainage. It is easy to walk on and allows water to pass through easily, making it a great choice for drainage. However, it can be difficult to keep in place and may need to be replenished regularly. 2. River rock. River rock is a medium-sized rock, often used for creating borders and accents in landscaping. It is typically smooth and rounded and comes in a variety of sizes and colors. River rock is often used to create dry creek beds, as well as around water features and swimming pools. Small river rock makes a beautiful driveway. It is a durable and long-lasting option that can add a natural feel to any outdoor space. However, it can be heavy and difficult to move. 3. Brick chips. Brick chips are made from crushed bricks and are a popular choice for creating a rustic, vintage look in landscaping. They come in a variety of sizes and colors, ranging from deep reds to lighter browns. Brick chips are often used for creating garden pathways, as well as around trees and shrubs. They are a low-maintenance option that can add a unique touch to any outdoor space. However, they can be sharp and uncomfortable to walk on and may be more expensive than other types of rocks. 4. Lava rock. Lava rock is a lightweight, porous rock that is typically used for creating a dramatic, volcanic look in landscaping. It comes in a variety of sizes and colors, including red, gray, brown, and black lava rock. This decorative material is perfect for creating fire pits, as well as for around pool areas and in xeriscaping designs. It is a low-maintenance option that can add a unique touch to any outdoor space. However, it can be sharp and uncomfortable to walk on and may retain heat, making it uncomfortable to sit on during hot weather. 5. Flagstone. Flagstone is a flat, thin rock that is often used for creating natural-looking pathways and patios. This classic paved stone comes in a variety of colors and often forms irregular shapes, creating a more organic look. Flagstone is often used to create garden paths, as well as around water features and swimming pools. It is a durable and long-lasting option that can add a natural feel to any outdoor space. However, it can be more expensive than other types of rocks. Due to design and layout complexity as well as the weight, this paving stone will usually require professional installation. 6. Marble chips. Marble chips are made from crushed marble and are a popular choice for creating a bright, clean look in landscaping. They come in a variety of sizes and colors, ranging from white to gray to pink. Marble chips are lovely when creating garden pathways and around trees and shrubs. They are a low-maintenance option that can add a unique touch to any outdoor space. However, they can be sharp and uncomfortable to walk on and may be more expensive than other types of rocks. The pros and cons of using landscape rocks. Why would someone choose garden rocks? Here are a few of the pros and cons of this hardscape material. Pros of landscaping rocks. Low maintenance. One of the biggest advantages of using landscape rocks is that they are low maintenance. Unlike plants or grass, they don't require regular watering or pruning, which can save time and money on maintenance. Durability. Landscape rocks are highly durable and long-lasting. They can withstand harsh weather conditions and won't deteriorate over time, making them a great investment for any outdoor space. Versatility. Landscape rocks come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, making them a versatile design element. They can be used for creating pathways and driveways, or to create patios or small sitting areas. Eco-friendly. Using decorative rocks can be an eco-friendly choice, as they don't require water or other resources to maintain. They can also help prevent erosion and retain soil moisture. Cons of landscape rocks. Cost. Depending on the type of rocks you prefer, landscaping pebbles and rocks can be expensive, especially if you choose high-end options like flagstone or marble chips. Installation. Installing landscape rocks can be labor-intensive. The installation may require the services of a professional. This can add to the overall cost of the project. Slipperiness. Some types of rocks, such as river rocks, can be slippery when wet or roll under the foot, which can be a safety hazard for walking paths or pool areas. Heat retention. Darker colored rocks, like lava rock or black granite, can retain heat, making them uncomfortable to walk on during hot weather. Retained heat might also cause the soil to hold excess heat, damaging the roots of heat-sensitive shrubs or flowers. While there are both pros and cons to using landscape rocks to decorate outdoor spaces, they remain a popular choice for many homeowners and landscapers. By weighing the advantages and disadvantages, you can determine whether landscape rocks are the right choice for your specific needs and budget. Whatever your preferences, incorporating landscape rocks into your design can add value and beauty to your home, and it's a design element that will last for years to come. Do the research to discover the best landscaping rocks before you invest. You will enjoy the outcome for years to come.